Whether you want to capture outdoor sports or underwater adventures, you need an action camera that is reliable and portable enough to perform the job. That's why in this video, we have compiled a list of the best action cameras of 2022. But before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more weekly updates on tech gadgets. Now let's jump right in. Number 10. AKASO Wi-Fi Action Camera. The AKASO Wi-Fi action camera can record in 4K at 60 frames per second, the highest resolution and frame rate we've ever seen in an action camera. Capture rapid-fire action in clear, crisp detail. Operating this little but powerful action camera is incredibly simple because of the 2-inch responsive touchscreen with IPS display, which also makes setting, previewing, and shooting easier than ever. The remote control can be worn on your wrist for extremely practical control while bicycling, skiing, bungee jumping, and other activities. You can remotely manage this action camera thanks to its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which makes a seamless connection to your smartphone with the AKASO Go app. Number 9. The EXPROTREK 4K Action Camera. The EXPROTREK 4K action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries and a ton of complementary accessories that you can use to personalize it to fit different extreme activities, both indoors and outdoors. The 2 rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries ensure solid video recordings of up to 120 minutes in 1080p and 90 minutes in 4K. Camera shake is fixed and sharp, and high-quality photographs are guaranteed with electronic image stabilization. In still or video recordings, the blurring typically affects each and every frame, more so when using telephoto lenses with long focal lengths and long opening periods. It is visible in astronomical recordings as a consistent variation in the positions of the objects. Controlling the camera is made easier by the wrist-mounted 2.4G wireless remote control. Pressing the button on the remote control is all that's necessary to take a photo or record a video nowadays. With the remote control, you can enjoy full control over the action cam and record your surroundings in an entirely new way. Number 8. WOLFGANG Action Camera. The built-in WOLFGANG action camera captures every detail of your journey with up to 4K video resolution at a frame rate of 60 frames per second. Additionally, its photo capture resolution can reach 24 megapixels, which accurately reproduces the shooting scene and captures the wonderful image at the very moment of shooting. The underwater action camera is protected by the included waterproof case from diving to depths of up to 40 meters, making it ideal for water sports like swimming, surfing, diving, snorkeling, and motorboating, among others. Dive mode significantly reduces underwater blue or green light while adjusting colors to make your video appear more vivid and genuine. The touchscreen on the WOLFGANG action camera is sensitive and can quickly respond to a light touch. Additionally, it has features that have the potential to record many kinds of footage, like auto video recording, noise reduction, slow motion, time-lapse recording, burst recording, etc. Number 7. APEXCAM Action Camera. APEXCAM Action Camera offers 20 megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS video. It is water-resistant to 40 meters and comes with a rugged IP68 case, making it perfect for swimming, diving, rafting, surfing, and other water sports. Add an external mic to your video to make it more vivid and engaging. It offers high-definition images and excellent video quality, and it's a fantastic gift for your loved ones as well as for you. There are many features to explore on the Apex motion camera. By pushing the photo or video button on the remote control when it's attached to your wrist, helmet, self-timer, or handlebar, you can shoot pictures and record videos. Number 6. VSYSTO Helmet Camera. The VSYSTO helmet is a sports camera made for motorbikes and bikes, with the goal of increasing safety and practicality while giving you a thorough recording of your driving. It will be your most caring traveling buddy. It can quickly monitor and edit recorded video files without data and supports Wi-Fi connections, mobile phones, and DVR through a dedicated app. It has a loop recording time setting range of 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes. The memory card will automatically overwrite the oldest data when it's full. Its 1200 milliamp huge capacity supports an external mobile power source while charging and recording recording, providing continuous power during crucial situations. It's waterproof and dustproof, so it'll be safe in poor weather. The camera has outstanding night vision and water resistance. Your cycling comfort will increase on rainy days thanks to the DVR's high water resistance. Do you like what you've seen so far? Take some time to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more unique gadget videos. Number 5. CAMCLUB Action Camera. Enjoying activities like snorkeling, swimming, surfing, cycling, skating, climbing, hiking, etc. is more enjoyable with the CAMCLUB Action Camera. Without being concerned about the quality of the photos or movies, you can record your activity or what you view. 2 rechargeable batteries enable stable video recordings for up to 90 minutes in 4K and 120 minutes in 1080p, and it has a 2-inch LCD screen for real-time viewing. The camera may be readily managed with very convenient video recording and editing using the 2.4 GHz remote control. With the touch of a button, you may capture everything on the dual screens of the action camera. A vivid front screen makes it simple to frame yourself in any situation, while the back screen offers a clear, responsive display. This sports action camera has a 24-megapixel photo resolution and an Ultra HD 4K 30 FPS video recording capability. You can record breathtaking videos and photographs to vividly and clearly record your journey. Number 4. COOAU Wi-Fi Action Camera. This camera uses the most recent updated chip and a 7-layer optical glass lens to produce 20-megapixel images and Ultra HD 4K recordings. The chip contains a small anti-shake program. Therefore, when you engage in extreme sports like parachute jumping, skiing, etc., your video fluency and stability are greatly improved. It includes an external microphone, which is very helpful in environments with a lot of noise or where tracking sound is difficult, such as while skiing, cycling, and other activities. When capturing scenery or significant moments, the camera can record more thanks to its 170-degree wide angle. With a remote control that has a gray button for video recording and a red button for capturing pictures, you'll be able to remotely operate your camera from a distance of 10 meters. This camera almost has all the features you might want or need. For example, self-timer, burst photo, upside down, white balance, loop recording, time-lapse recording, and slow motion, among other features. Number 3. Dragon Touch Action Camera. The Dragon Touch Action Camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each of which has a 90-minute recording capacity, as well as accessories like a bicycle stand and a helmet mount. It's ideal for outdoor sports and underwater sports like cycling, motorcycling, skiing, swimming, diving, surfing, or snorkeling. It's very convenient to compose pictures or record videos. Just press the button of the remote control. With the action camera installed on your helmet, selfie stick, etc., you won't need to search for your camera anymore. It's not waterproof to use the remote. You can choose various wide angles between 70, 110, 140, and 170 degrees as you like. It's up to you to decide expansive or narrow field view, which helps you capture a wider view. Number 2. SJCAM Action Camera. The SJCAM Action Camera has a 2-inch LED screen and features Ultra HD 4K video recording. You may capture videos in 4K, 2K, and 1080p at 30 frames per second to analyze your activities in breathtaking clarity. SJCAM has the adaptability to meet your various shooting needs with features like single shooting, continuous shooting, interval shooting, and time-lapse photos. It supports 12, 8, 5, 3, and 2 megapixel photo resolutions. With a durable waterproof case included, you may use the SJCAM to shoot videos of swimming pools or 30-meter underwater diving, as well as other water activities like surfing, sailing, water skating, fancy diving, etc. Number 1. Prograce Kids Camera. For children between the ages of 3 and 12, the Prograce Kids Camera is an ideal birthday or holiday gift. It includes environmentally friendly materials and a 1.77-inch LCD screen. The Kids Action Camera with a CMOS image sensor allows you to capture every dreamy moment in your daily life. It has professional HD 1080p 30 FPS videos and 5 megapixel photos, 40 built-in photo frames, 7 color video modes, 4x digital zoom, burst shooting, time-lapse photo, face recognition, manual brightness adjustment, 3-level volume adjustment, and a mini game. The kid's camera offers a lot of features, is durable and waterproof, and can capture images and videos in high resolution. Continuous shooting is supported by this kid's video camera, which makes it simple to capture quick motions without losing any of the action. So, what do you think about these best action cameras of 2022? Which one do you want to buy now and why? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.